Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. I got some friend mail from Janet. Janet is in Hawaii and she sent me an email saying, hey Mary, I'm going to send you 3-month subscription to the Klever Beauty Box. And right when she sent me that email, just a couple of days before, I had gotten an email from the Klever Beauty Box saying they would like to send me a box. So I've already shown you that video because I received that one first. And now I've received Janet's and I'm super excited about it. I'm assuming because it's August that they're going to be the same products. So we're going to see. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about Klever Beauty Box real quick. It says, our mission is to deliver a monthly surprise of the highest quality beauty products at an unbeatable value, providing our members with an exciting beauty experience every month. It's $29 per month. And it's as low as $25 per month if you sign up for longer. And what you get in the Klever Beauty Box is 8 full-size beauty products. The average value is $105. Unique box every month, no repeats. Discover beauty trends, the best beauty deal ever. So I'm excited to show it to you. And I'm excited that Janet sent it to me. She sent me 3 months. So thank you, Janet. This is so sweet of you. And y'all, I tell you all the time, I love my subscribers. You never have to send me anything. I just am very grateful if you do. It's very nice of you to do that. So thank you so much, Janet. And let's see what's in this box. It had an outer envelope, a cushioned white, the bubble wrap envelope in white. So I did take it out of there. It's a really good box, really nice and sturdy box. And there's the logo. It's Klever with a K. And when you open it, it's, see how it opens really nicely. It says inside, surprise, and it's pink. And there's pink tissue. And when you open it up the tissue, now there's some good cushion in here. Oh, hey, there's different things. There are different things than was in I have the Klever Beauty Box that I got because I was assuming everybody would get the same thing. I brought that out. I wore some of it to show you. So let's see what this has. There's no card or information about things, wow, yeah, it's different stuff. It has a nice, like I said, it has a nice cushion. All right, let's see what we got. There is a brush. Oh, it's a dual-ended brush in a nice carry bag. Let me open that up and see what that looks like. I was expecting the very same thing because I wasn't sure how they would do it. How would they do say it's a surprise. You don't get to pick anything. I might have to open some things and come back because I'm having trouble getting this out of here. I never have what I need when I need it. I'll be back. There was some shrink wrap on things, so I got that off as well. Look at this, is a really nice brush. It has this end here, small end, and then this one is more dense, like for face powder. That's what I would use that for. This I'm not sure. Maybe a little blush, maybe some highlight. It doesn't have a name on the brush. It's a nice little brush. And then we got, this is Exquisite. It says O2O, O period TWO period O. I did get that brand in the last box. So this is Fine Mist Makeup Setting Spray. Let me get that open. It had shrink wrap on it. Maybe that, I can't, some things had shrink wrap on it. Some things didn't, I don't remember. This is a very beautiful bottle. Isn't that pretty? O2O Makeup Setting Spray. Exquisite is the brand, and it's really packaged very pretty. It's gold up here, and then, you'll spray it here. So I don't really use a lot of setting spray. I probably should in the heat, especially to keep my makeup on. But that's very pretty. And then we have this right here. I've got a few, everything's out right in front of me. This brand I also got in the last box, Pudair, P-U-D-A-I-E-R. Look at that pretty packaging. So see the shape of it? Very pretty packaging. Looks like it's gonna be a lippy. It says Smoked Rose, number 909, Smoked Rose. I don't know if you can see that. And look at how it opens like that. And it is a lippy. That's beautiful. Let's swatch it. I do have on some makeup from the other box, so I'll tell you about that when I'm done showing you this. That's very pretty. That's a nice color. I think a lot of people can wear this color. Very pretty. And the container, the component is really pretty. I love, oops. Let's see, you should line up the word, line up the name. There we go, okay. All right, and then we have, this is called, again, the brand Poudre. I don't know if I'm saying that right. If you can see it right there. Lip Care. I looked at this already because I want to make sure there wasn't any shrink wrap on the inside, because the last box had some of that going on. And this looks, it says baby pink. It looks just like a clear gel. So to go over your lippy, let's see, it's a doe foot. And then see how it's clear? It doesn't have a scent. I'll put it right here and see, it adds some shine. If you can see that on my skin. So we'll put it over the lipstick. And it just makes the lipstick shine. See how that is? So that is nice. It doesn't have a scent. It doesn't feel sticky. I like it. It's maybe even something you could use before you go to bed to moisturize your lips. It feels like a little oily that way. Next we have this thing. This is interesting. This came in a bag. I took it out. Silicone Beauty Ruler. So it says multifunctional aid for outer corners. Let's see. You can use it for eyebrow shaping. You can use this for outer corners. They're showing it either way. For lower waterline. Oh, well, that's interesting. Oh, it's silicone. I didn't even notice that it's rubber. It says silicone, but I didn't. I thought it was hard. But this can go under, so you can get your mascara under or your waterline going without getting it on your face. I don't put things under my eyes unless maybe I would for a special occasion, but my eyes water so much that is not something good for me. So I don't. Oh, this is to do your lip line right here, to get you a nice, M. A lot of people have that right here. So that is so you can do so many things with it. And then it does really it has lines on it, like a ruler here and here, if you wanted to lengthen. Silicone Beauty Ruler, eyeliner and eyebrow sketch, lip liner help. So cool, that is cool. And like I said, it's silicone. So that kind of thing lasts a long time. Okay, next up we have, this is D-E-R-O-L, Derol. These are all supposed to be indie products. So this is Cosmic Funk Polarized Liquid Eyeshadow. And it says 04 is the number Errant, E-R-R-A-N-T. And all these have great expiration dates. They last for a long time, which is nice. They're all fresh products, which is good. So, oh, that's a pretty component there. And there's the name in, isn't that pretty? And I'm not real big on liquid eyeshadows, but I will use them sometimes. I smell everything, y'all. So anyway, it's very pretty. It looks like it has some like multi-chrome stuff going on. Oh, see how pretty that is? Wow, the coverage of that. I just did one little swipe, y'all. That's fantastic coverage. It's very, very orangey copper. And to me, when I'm looking through here, I see gold also. So like a multi-chrome kind of a thing. It's very pretty. I don't really see the gold so much here. Maybe I would if it was on my eyes, but the coverage is excellent. Very pretty. And next we have Hondain, I will say. This is a lip kit. Hondain, there's the name there. You might could see it better because it's darker. And this has a liquid matte lipstick and lip line pencil. And it's in number 4. So I think they try to match numbers. I think we talked about that before from the last box. So let me try to get this open without damaging it too much. Okay, so there's the nice pencil. Let's get that out of there. I didn't think about, you know, I struggle with everything, y'all. This should be easy. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's pretty. Here is the lip liner, and there is the color there. That's a very nice lip liner. I have a similar lip liner to this already going, but I'll swatch it. Let's see, we'll do it right here. Very nice. It went on nicely. That's a nice fine point. You know, this is a pencil, so you'll sharpen this. And then the liquid lip to match that. A doe foot. And then again, really nice coverage. That's darker than this one. Very pretty. Very pretty. I think it's similar to what I might have on. That is beautiful. And then we have a face palette. So y'all, we got the Mist, this double set. That's 2, 3 for the Slippy, 4 for the lip care, 5 for the eyeshadow, 6 for the brush, 7 for the tulle, and now we have the Miss Rose brand face palette. 3 color eyeshadows, 2 color blush, 1 color highlight, and 1 color bronze. So that is very pretty. I did start getting it open, and this is it here. Oh, it's very pretty. Very pretty. It has a clear case. See how that is? And can you see there's some patterns going on in these colors? So let's swatch. I'll just, oh, that's the highlight, and it's creamy. And then this is the bronze. So the highlight and the bronze, very nice. And I do have some stuff to clean my fingers off here. And then these 3 are eyeshadows. They don't give a color on them. Let's see if they might give a color on the box, but these are the 3 eyeshadow colors. So they're nice, neutral, basic. Oh, they're very pretty. Very, very pretty. This is the shimmer in the middle. And that shimmer, again, like the highlight, feels a little creamy. And then the blushes are beautiful. One is an orangey blush, and one is a pink tone to it. So there's the blushes. So very nice. That's a nice face palette. And it says Miss Rose. Well, I don't know if you can see that with it closed like that, but yeah, you probably can't see it. Miss Rose. Anyway, here's the box. You can see that better. Miss Rose. Now, I thought it was going to be the same things as what Klever Box sent me directly. So what I will tell you what I used in the Klever Box. I used the Poudre mascara. That was this one, and I love the brush. This is just one of those nice brushes. I love all kinds of brushes. This one worked really well. And I also used the Monster Blush. This is by Bankseer Monster Blush. This is the one that, see, it has a monster in it. And I sort of just try to go over the whole thing to put it on to get all of the color. I used this lippy because I had used one of the other lippies before. So I used this one. This is the 020 brand, and this is a doe foot, and that's what I have on. And I'll tell you, you know, a lot of times when they're liquid like that, it does still feel liquidy, but it's dried down. It's dried down to some point. But it's not drying on my lips. I've had it on for a while, and I like it. And I used this, the Sky eyeshadow by Poudre. I used some as a highlight, and I used some on my brow bones. This was my very favorite thing in that box. Oh, why do I smell everything? And I love that. It's really creamy. I think that's what I used in there. The lippy came, it was the thing that came in this cute little bag. I didn't get to use the shadow palette because I already had eyeshadow on for the day. And so, but there's my swatches on this. Thank you so much, Janet. And thank you to Klever Beauty Box. I'll put them below also if you're interested. I don't have a link for them. It's, you know, it's just their website. But Janet, I want to thank you so much for thinking of me. And I'm excited that it's different things, y'all. That's fun. I really thought it would be the same thing. And, you know, maybe I could do a giveaway or something with some of it. But I have now swatched everything. So I'm going to be using these products. You know, that eyeshadow, oh, it's just, I don't think you can see the fabulous gleam it has. It's really pretty. So Camille, thank you so much, Janet, for sending this to me. I really enjoy it. It's fun to open something new, and it's a pretty reasonable box, and you get 8 makeup products. So if you're someone that's wanting to build your collection, or you don't know where to start, this is a good way to start with some things, you know, to see if you like it and see what you might like. And it's you know, some nice things. It is indie products. I do believe by the names that most of them are Asian indie products, and they're just, you know, I think they're pretty. So thank you, Janet, so much. It's so sweet of you to send this to me. And y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.